Hello friends, today in this video we will learn how to make sentences. So let's start. First, number 1, drives. She drives a car. Number 2, song. He sings a song. Number 3, daily. It rains daily. Number 4, read. I read a book every week. Number 5, fly. We fly kites daily. Number 6, ride. They ride their bikes. Number 7, play. The girls play hockey. Number 8, doctor. He is a doctor. Number 9, lawyer. She is a lawyer. Number 10, play. He does not play here. Number 11, go. My brother goes to school. Number 12, read. I read the Ramayana. Number 13, drink. He drinks water at night. Number 14, take. We take tea in the morning. Number 15, shine. The stars shine at night.